You are going to give examination on 15th of February, and the same way you can give the same examination today only. You can practice with this mock test which is provided by this gate thing, so you can completely apply your knowledge whatever you have learned so far. You can just try and go and mark these answers. How all this will happen, we will try to let's find in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So as you can see right now on your screen, this is our all previous year questions unit wise compilation. So if you have not ordered yet, as you can say, the pages number are increasing. Okay, so if you have not ordered yet, don't miss out on this opportunity of clearing this time only by preparing very well for each and particular unit from unit number 1 to 10. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is the EPYQ book, so which you will get. Everything is completed for 2 years, and we will be moving forward with more questions as well. Okay, so how you can order? Description you can check, details are given in the description. Just follow the process and you will be able to get this ebook there. Now Saturday 15th of February 2025. It is the Saturday and you are having the examination from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Afternoon session AN, as you can see, XH. Your number is XHC5. So your examination is approximately, we can say, 30 days, 33 days out there. Okay, so you have just approximately 1 month to prepare for this examination. Okay, so how you can give the mock test? What you can do is, first of all, you have to go on the gate website. Okay, so as soon as you go on the gate website, this is the home page. Okay, so you will see the home page like this. I hope you would have downloaded the admit cards and all those things. Okay, so this is the home page. What you will do, you will go over here and you will click on this mock test links. Okay, so as soon as you will click on this, you will get a page open which will look something like this. Okay, so what you will do, you will scroll down, come here, and you will find this XHC5 right now. Okay, XHC5 over here, and you will just give this humanities and social sciences psychology and click here. So as soon as you click here, you will be the John Snow, I mean you will be the John Smith, and this type of screen will come right in front of you. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to complete your syllabus and try to give this examination on 15th of maybe January, or whenever you are watching this video after that. So you must have a laptop or a PC or a pad or whatever it is which is you are most comfortable on, and you can just have a, we can say, a simulation of how this will happen on 15th of February. Okay, so as soon as you will click on sign in, you will have a new window open like this, and it will say this to you, that total duration of exam is 180 minutes. A scientific calculator is available on top right hand side of the screen. Okay, so if you need this, why you can need, why you will need because of the, if you know the answer, you are preparing well, why you will need this thing or for which unit. Okay, so now as you all know, okay, you can read this. We will just move forward, fast forward, and you can see over here the question paper has 65 questions for a total of 100 marks. So you are aiming for 100 marks. Total questions are 65. GA for 15 marks, RB, I mean RC for B1, okay, for how many marks? For 25 marks, and psychology is for 60 marks. Okay, and if you are following the complete series, you will score very high. Okay, you can score very high, approximately 40 to 50 you can score from here only. If you are following from the very start, from the very beginning, the complete playlist, okay, you can easily, you will find psychology easy this time more. GA section B1 and section C5. Number of 1 mark question are 18 for our this thing and 21 for our this thing. Okay, so 18 and 21, how much it is, you will get to see next. Okay, so you have to click on this, and I am ready to begin, and it will appear something like this on your screen. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, general aptitude, B1 reasoning and comprehension, and this is C5 psychology. So you will be able to see all these three tabs right in front of your screen. Okay, this is a mock test we are doing on the GATE website only, and you can check this scientific calculator from here as well. Okay, so if you want to do some calculations, calculate the whatever Z score or whatever it is, so you can do this thing from here also. Okay, all right. So it is mentioned over here, and the time will be blowing out from here. Now you can see this is GA part. See, they have written, one of our subscribers have asked that about this thing, where it will be a MCQ or MSQ, how we will get to know. It will be mentioned on your screen there as well. Okay, so it is a MCQ type. It means it is only having a one correct answer and rest three are odd one out. Okay, now as you will click on this thing, B1 reasoning, you will find questions coming from your reasoning portion and all those things. Okay, and it is only in English, so more comfortable for you. And as you click on this C5 psychology, you will have this thing like as well. Okay, so see, it is written MCQ over here. It is written MCQ over here. It means it is only having a one answer. Okay, you can click on one and then you will be able to good to go. All right, you will mark the answer, and what you will do, you will just click on save and next, and the next question will come. Item response theory will mark. See, this is MSQ. As you can see, you can also judge from here as well. See, you are having multiple options to mark. Okay, you are having multiple these things to mark because it is a MSQ type. You can see over here as well. Okay, so if we will go to the previous one, if I click on this one previous, see only one option is we are able to click over here. Okay, so some common sense, common understanding also will come in the picture. And as you can see 20 questions, you can jump directly to 32. Okay, and 39. So how many questions you are getting over here? You are getting 39 questions which correlation coefficient represents. Okay, so you are having 39 questions in this psychology portion. All right, and then rest all you know how you can just do save and next, save and next, and then finally you will submit from the submit button here after giving the complete paper. Okay, so try this out. It is very very useful. You will remember this thing that okay, you have given one mock test, your score was like this, you can tally with the cutoff and all those things. Try to give for the each section, for psychology also, for this also, and for general aptitude also. Okay, so try this and sit for 3 hours quietly and try to answer as many as correct answers possible for you. Okay, so try this thing. You are going for 100 marks. Last time the cutoff was approximately around 56-60. Okay, so each time around this is the cutoff only. So you have to be just aware, just alert that okay, you can also do this thing by practicing this free mock test. Okay, so I hope you will go and give this mock test, sit for the examination right before your examination as well. You are going to give on 15th of February 2:30 to 5:30, and before examination try to give this mock test once, twice or thrice, how many times you want, because you will be more used to it, so that you will not panic while you might be, some of you might be using for the very first time this particular setup, or some of you might be giving for the second time, third time. Make sure you will clear the examination. Just follow the complete playlist. Whatever books, whatever PYQs, whatever thing has been mentioned, everything is available completely free of cost. Okay, you don't need to spend any single penny for this particular clearing this gate psychology examination. But obviously books you have to spend for your entire life. For those amazing books you have to spare, but you have to spend the money, but you have to be very very careful that on what you are spending, on what you are choosing. Okay, because it will create very very differences. See, most of you would have got to know that okay, these are the ABC books which are very very important for this particular examination. If you are watching from the net series also, you will get to know, you would have given the recent examination, you know that okay, how the questions are coming, from where those are coming, and how things are happening over there. Okay, all right, so make sure that you take this full benefit of this complete free mock test. No any other mock test you need to give. Just give this free mock test once, twice, thrice, so you'll be more used to this computer settings, and just revise well from all these books, and make sure to do the PYQs again and again. How many times you can do the PYQs, it will be more useful for you, more fruitful for you, because you will find questions coming from the PYQs as well, definitely. Okay, some I have told you one question about twin studies, adoption studies, family studies. They are repeating it n number of times, numerous times they have been repeated this particular thing. Okay, if we talk about social psychology, many topics about attitude and all those things are repeating again and again. Okay, so if you are having this thing, that if you are having this ebook, then it will be more appropriate, it will be more useful for you to give the answers each unit wise. Okay, so you will have everything as mentioned by the gate, it is available over there. Okay, so see this, which are the following tests are post hoc, it is from 2024. If you practice this, if you give the mock test, you will also able to get the answer why this is, why this is, why this is, why this is happening. You just have to do unit wise preparation. If you want, you can have this book, you can purchase this ebook from the details in the description. If not, don't worry, anything is okay, everything is, sorry, I mean everything is free of cost. Just go to the gate website and you will find these things there as well. But obviously you will not find this, but rest all is completely free. Mock test is free, PYQ is free, answer key is free, everything is free, and you have to just read the books, do the PYQs n number of times, and just sail through it, and that too as soon as possible. Okay, you are not here to spend complete life on this single examination, because there are more things to do. So wish you all the very best for the upcoming examination. I hope you like the video. You will give this mock test, you will assess your score, what the score you are getting, why you have marked the answer incorrect, and how things are happening for you as well. Okay, all right, see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day ahead. Those who are interested to purchase this ebook of a unit-wise PYQ, as you can see 145 pages, and we are down with the 2 years. Okay, so it will also increase around 1 250 300 pages. So just make sure that you, if you are having this book ebook, then make sure that you practice this unit wise very well. Okay, for each particular unit, mark all the answers, check all the answers, go to the books, find where the answers are, how to do this, and why the answer is incorrect, why the answer is wrong, and practice more and more of this ebook of unit wise PYQs. Okay, it will help you, don't worry, it will help you eventually. On the 15th of February, you will be amazed how your scores are. I mean, psychology, it is 100% sure you will be very very confident. First of all, okay, yes, one more thing, first of all, go and jump on the, okay, the strategy thing we will talk in the next video, so that you are subscribed to the channel. And if you have not joined on the Telegram yet, make sure that you join the Telegram channel as well from the link in the description below. Right? Okay, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. See you all soon.